today we're gonna microwave some Pogos, and we got Liam again, and we got Diane and Nono,
and who's that? Charlotte.
And then there's Charlotte, and so how's it like ta-da!
All right. She's watching a movie. Okay, we're recording, guys.
Okay.
All right, Henry, you put the Pogos on a microwavable plate.
And guess what happens if you press start?
30 seconds. Is that how long they're supposed to be?
Well, we did 2 and we did 4 seconds and it worked fine. Just
Okay.
the inside would be cool, but it doesn't matter.
Well, these are already cooked yesterday, so we're just reheating them.
Yep. Because
They were cooked in the oven. Yes, they're leftovers.
Yep, and we just put them in the fridge so they're cold. It's now
3,
2, 1.
Are they cooked? Are they hot?
One's cold, one's cooked. Maybe just move this one to this point. Or wait, but the top isn't cooked.
Okay.
You're gonna cool, Henry. So maybe let's try like 20 seconds.
Okay.
No, I think that one's hot, Charlotte. You want to eat it? Okay.
All right, 20 seconds on the Hamilton Beach microwave.
Yeah. That's one cool, Henry.
That's what a Pogo looks like. It's a corn dog.
Oh my gosh. It's really good.
10, 9.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why hot dog in there? And there's Nuna.
And there's Nuna with some more leftovers and lunch. All right, Henry, is the Pogo done?
Yep.
Yep.
And then we should microwave some corn now.
Corn has to be cold.
Okay, well, we'll do that separately. Okay. All right, do you want to say bye to people?
Okay, bye.